Hey. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're New York.
What are you taking a picture of me?
I'm videoing.
Crazy yank driving.
I'll turn around. I'll drive like not looking at the road.
We just like being at home.
No, we get the traffic reports every morning. Driving to work.
You could go back and forth just to change it, yeah. Cheetos. Yes, because it looks too far. Which way you can look at? Here? It's a famous dollar.
Ready to say hi and come around.
Welcome to New York, bitch.
It's to go any day you want. Take this Australian lady. Awesome. Do you still watch Neighbours?
Awesome.
I don't watch it.
Watch what?
Neighbours.
You're not Australian, are you?
No, she's from here. She's from Long Island.
Long Island.
Long Island. They say Long Island.
Were you born there, bred there? Or?
No, I was born in the Bronx.
I live in the Bronx. Where? Near the Bronx Zoo?
No, we're South Bronx.
How come all the white people move out to the Bronx?
Morris Avenue.
Morris Avenue, right behind my house. Really? So when did you move out?
We moved out in 07. Yeah, we moved to Queens. Yeah, I lived in
Stop it. The owner of this club now, when they did this business club, he was from Island. They moved out, moved to Queens, and moved to Long Island. Why that path?
I don't know, but I did make a stop.
See a stream down your face.
will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
But anyway,
Do it again.
I'll do my soft shoe
Do
over
it again.
here.
Do it again. Do it again.
What are we gonna do?
Sing it again.
Singing in the rain, I'm dancing and singing in the rain. There we go. As you can see, thank you.
Hey,
I am
crazy
very
people.
shy. I am very shy. Yeah.
Station here. Penn Station.
Then I